Hello there guys, and in this tutorial I wanted to talk to you about testing conditions. Now, in our script so far we have tested the following. Okay, so we have tested if the first argument is equal to some string. But you can actually test for a lot more things than just this. Okay, you can test files, you can test integers, and you can test strings. And this is an example of a string test because we are checking if the first argument is equal to a certain string, but there are also other string tests that you can use. Okay, and if you want to learn more about those, I actually refer you to the reference you will find in the video description. Okay, it should be in the video description, or if it's not, you can check out my website or my LinkedIn profile. It should be in the references with the on the article, which is the written version of this tutorial. Okay, so definitely feel free to go through the reference. It actually explains all of these different tests, but I just want you to keep in mind the basic idea. No matter what this test is, it can be a string test, it can be a file test, it can be an integer test. No matter what this is, the idea is the same. Okay, if this is true, that is, if the exit code of this entire thing is 0, then execute this. If it is not true, then execute this. Okay, so that's the basic idea. We covered that in the previous tutorials. I just want you to keep that in mind. But basically, the test is completely irrelevant. Okay, I mean, it's not completely irrelevant. It depends on what you want to test for. However, the test is irrelevant in a sense that every single test is going to be true or false, and depending on that, and basically if we want to look more deeper, depending on the exit code of this condition, we are actually going to determine whether we execute this line or this line, and also if we had some elif statements, then we would determine if we would execute them as well. Okay, so just keep that in mind as you read through the reference if you are interested in that, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Check out the reference if you're interested, and I will talk to you very soon.